Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have the Student Biometric Kit in front of you. Begin by verifying the sensor, microcontroller, cables, and power. Plug the sensor VCC and ground first to avoid damage, then connect TX and RX to the board's serial pins. Once done, power the board briefly to check LEDs or idle response, and install the driver and serial library on your computer so the device can communicate. Make sure permissions and port settings are noted so you can proceed to upload code. Now you'll configure and enroll fingerprints. Upload the provided sketch or run the Python enrollment script and open the serial monitor at the specified baud rate. When prompted, place the finger evenly on the sensor, then lift and repeat until the module confirms a successful template. Enroll 2 to 3 samples per student for reliability and assign a unique ID number for each template. Once templates save, query the module to list ID so you can cross-check enrollment and avoid duplicates. To finish, verify the system by running the verification and identification routines for every enrolled ID. Have students test in realistic conditions and note failure rates. Once tests pass, mount the sensor securely near power and a protected USB or serial link and update any logging or access rules. If a finger isn't recognized, re-enroll that user, confirm wiring and grounding, and try cleaning the sensor. If problems persist, reset the module, reload firmware or templates, and repeat and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.